And we are on the way to, what are we going to, Billy? The first NICA race near Manti, Utah. It's called the Manti Melee for NICA. NICA, here we go. Billy's part of the Iron Giants. And we are on an adventure trying to find the race venue right now, aren't we? It's very exciting. The directions are lackluster. But we did find, they found actually, this really fun canal while we're on our adventure. Anna, are you so excited?
Yes.
All right, so we've arrived here. The Manti Melee NICA race. Soon there will be a magnificent campsite where we're going to be set up.
We're going to set up right here.
Right there.
Right there.
Well, after a little bit of ado, we are all set up. Ready to do pre-run. This video about you, Billie Jean, is going to be less exciting if you keep your hand over your face the whole time, but it's very secretive. Anyway, so here's the, wow, it's quite the rig. Here's the scene as it is right now.
Well, if you want to know what Billy's going to look like in 33 years, you can just look at me.
There you go. Very begrudgingly, Billy cleans her bicycle.
All right, Billy, stop.
So the sun is setting. Hannah is reading us. Can you tell us what you're reading? Can you tell me about?
The entire history.
Can you show the book?
I'm reading the entire history of Wings of Fire. It's the best book series ever. Read it.
Nice.
It's amazing.
It's very interesting. And we're just having a good time. Kirsten made me a delicious sandwich. Very happy about that. How you having? How's your day? Going good? Having a good time? Chomping? I always do these at inappropriate times. In the early morning twilight, Billy, the competitor, gets ready for the day. She wipes the sleep from her eyes and then walks away to contemplate the race to come. Sun's coming up over the mountain, Bills. Are you excited?
No.
What? Yeah, you. Don't be like that, Billy. Don't be like that. So when I'm at a youth race and I'm dealing with this surly child, I like to reach for a Red Bull because I get thirsty. And quite frankly, dealing with these people, you need wings so you can fly away. Red Bull. Let's see your number, Billy. 52. Lucky number right there.
Shout out to all your teammates. Let's do it. You ready?
Then I got this really hot cowgirl to talk to me.
How you doing, Colin?
Kid Wrangler.
He's great.
Shih
Do
Tzu.
you want me to leave?
Razor. Rancher.
Or do we-
There go the advanced junior Devo boys. How you doing, Rose? Good. You so excited? Get it, guys! Woo!
Caveman. Caveman. Well, lots of caveman. Maybe a lot of you guys.
Iron Giants!
Vikings. Severe Valley. More Vikings. More Lone Peak. More Lone Peak.
Carson! Woo! It's fun! Billie Jean.
I'll do it.
The best pal, Kara. Ready to shreddy. All warmed up, ready to go?
Sure.
So excited?
Sure.
Yeet. Hey, Bella. Bella.
What do you...
Oh, Bella.
21! I'm your biggest fan! Come on, Sophie, you got...
Number 32.
Hey, go Kara! Yay!
43. 44.
Hey! Have fun, Bells!
54.
The intensity is palpable. Intensity? Is that a real word?
Give me that famous working smile. You move it, we're gonna move forward again. That's just great. Look at you all. Okay. Have fun today. You need to make sure that all right.
Drop down and then a boom and you go all into it.
A little bit of hiking. How's Billy doing?
Big smile. He's doing great.
Big old pack of 4. Go, Billy! Good job, Vikings! Go, Billy! Paddle, paddle, paddle! Go, Billy! Billy! Good job, Bills! Go, go, go! Go, go! Get it, get it, get it! You're doing great, Billy! Woo! Go, Kara! Woo! Great job! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Billie Jean Miller, you just finished your first race. How do you feel? No speaking complete and utterly coherent sentences. You can barely breathe. How you doing, kid?
Tired.
Was it so fun?
Yes.
Yes and no. Yeah. It'll be fun in a day or two. Good job, Billy. You did great.
He's gonna be so proud of you.
Good job,
Because you know,
kiddo.
he's like, where is she? Where is she? Where is she?
You know, all right, we're going to check out the results for the beginner girls junior diva. Billie Jean got 24th out of 54 in her first race ever. Super proud of her. She didn't get past until the last probably about 400 yards when she kind of bobbled going over some rocks.
What an exciting
But,
memory for them.
yeah, that's really, really impressive. Very proud of her. Kara Sheldon got 34th out of 54, or no, 38.
In our
38
top 10.
out of 54, despite a really gnarly crash. So very proud of her effort too. Good job. All right, so now the girls are chilling out here with all their friends in the Iron Giants tent. Good times were had by all. Good job. And then the hardest part of any expedition like this begins. Putting stuff away. Putting stuff back in the truck. Brutal. And then, as mysteriously as we arrived. Uh-oh. A little bit of injury out there. Anyway, all right, good job, Billy. 24th place. Congratulations, 24th. I saw it with my eyes.
I have fruit leather.
Good job. Anyhow, so NICA 2022 Manti Melee is over for us. Hope everyone did a great job and had some fun. And we look forward to seeing everybody at Snow Basin here in a couple weeks. Thanks for watching. Keep going, sweetie.
I have fruit leather.
Good job.